that will change from black to blue when exposed to black UV light. This application allows you to easily authenticate documents and prevent forgery. In the following examples, you can see the effect of our ink under UV black light. It's really cool. This ink can be used for printing checks, vouchers, visas, passports, gift cards, identity documents, and more. Second example shows also invisible ink. So under normal ambient light, the printed characters or pictures are invisible, but are clearly revealed under UV light. This is especially useful for authenticating if document is indeed original. We have different types of UV colors. It can be yellow, orange, green, blue, or red. That being said, it can be really fun to be able to print security copy-proof documents in-house and just in time, and have the confidence that they can't easily be forged or copied. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or contact us for more information.